Hey guys, so next question I got asked is how many frets on a guitar? So ChatGPT says standard guitars typically have 21, 22 or 24 frets. However, some guitars, especially electric guitars designed for extended range playing, may have more frets, such as 27 to 30. The number of frets can affect the instrument's range and playability of more frets, allowing for higher notes to be played. So on my guitar here, if I can make myself bigger here, we've got, I need to take off this blurring effect, but we've got 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 technically, but the 21st fret doesn't really come through. So I would say 20 good frets. Then on my electric here, we've got 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and then a half fret there. I would say 22 is a good number. And that's quite a long neck there, compared to some guitars. So there you go. It's a little bit more than you realize, and it actually goes across octaves, okay? So you can go quite low, so the open string is the open E, okay? And let's talk about octaves quickly. So we've got our open E here, and then when you go an octave higher, that's the next E. Basically, when you go up an octave, that's essentially going up to the same note, but a higher version of itself. So we've got E, 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 and then it doesn't go any further. You'd have to go up here. I think this is a C. It's the highest note there. So then you would go. So then you'd have 1 octave, 2 octaves, and then 3 octaves. So 3 octaves on the guitar. Piano has a lot more, but the guitar has about 3 octaves. So what is an octave? So an octave is 8 notes on the guitar. So if we go to auto draw here, actually let's use a piano as an example. So for a piano, if we look at this for a second, it's got lots of octaves here. So this would be a C. I can't draw. Can I draw? There we go. Yeah, there we go. So that would be your first. Let's just say this is your first note. This is called a C note. Okay, so this is C. Then we go to the next octave. So that's 1 octave, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then that might be the 7th, I don't know. But you can see it ranges quite a lot, so it's double, what did I say, 3 on the guitar. And then on the piano it seems to have 7 in this example. And then some have even more. Don't know how many keys this one is, but 88, yeah, this is quite a standard amount of keys. So about 7 octaves-ish on the piano, and the guitar takes up the middle-ish section. So I would say from about here to here, something like that, with all the flats and sharps. But what's funny is that a lot of people just play guitar in this bit of the guitar. They just stay in the first 3 frets, because you can create a lot of music with those. So you can actually write whole songs, whole albums just with this bit of the guitar, which is amazing. And then I would say that a lot of guitarists don't even go past the 12th fret. I would say there's lots that do, like lots of soloists, people who like to solo up here and high up on the neck, but for most acoustic guitar players, I would say they don't really go up into this section as much as the bottom section. It's more just for accessibility, like trying to get the notes really clean up here, or play like chords. It's a little bit fiddly, so that's why you got to try and get those solos in. really get in there, you have to really... You have to add a lot of pressure on, but down here, it's a lot easier to do all the stuff that you need to. So to help you round the neck, some guitars have dots at the top. I don't know if you can see those. You've got some dots, and then you've got dots going along here as well, dot. Or they might have some sort of embellishment, which I'll show you in a sec. So that's 12, so that's your octave that I was talking about before. Now on a piano you've got flats and sharps, so you've got all the white keys and the black keys. But on the guitar it's all flat, you don't have white and black keys, so you have to learn the fretboard, okay, which we'll do in another video. You don't need to know off by heart to start with, but it's helpful further down the line. So if you start early and keep building up, it does make a huge difference. But this is your 13th fret, 15th is your next dot, and then you've got nothing, no other embellishments on here, but 15, 17, wait, 12, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, yeah, that's what I said before, 20. It's the electric that had more. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful. Knowing how many frets there are on a guitar, it is good to know, but it's not as important as actually learning the guitar. I'll show you those other embellishments quickly. So here is a good example. We've got these crosses. It's more on electric guitars that they have more variety, I would say, but that's not always true. This one's got some sort of thing on there. I would say embellishments on the guitar, neck. Here we go. So you can actually buy them, which is pretty cool. So you've got these stickers that seem to stick onto the guitar, so you can add your own inlay if you like. Like it's got some, whatever that is, David's star, is it? It's the Jewish star or something. Maybe I got that wrong. Let me know in the comments. What other things do we have here? Yeah, you've got loads of styles. See, on this guitar here, we've got these things, if you can see it. Just get me back up here. So we've got these, I don't know what shape that is. I'm going to call it bowl. It's got two lines and slashes up the side. So there we go. Different embellishments, different ways of figuring out the frets. But on the acoustic Spanish guitars, this is just a children's one, they don't have anything. Okay, there's no dots. There's no dots at the top. I've put some smiley faces for the kids to help them understand, but apart from that, there's nothing here. Okay, so that's where you just got to know. You just got to feel your way. Just with your hands, you've got to feel as you're going up, as you go over the bumps of the frets, and just slowly, you'll start to just know. You just start to know where everything is. But if you really struggle with that classical thing, you can buy those stickers that I just mentioned, but you can also buy number stickers, just like these. Don't know where this is taking me here. Amazon again. And you just got numbers, and you just stick them on all the frets or on certain frets, whatever you prefer. The other thing you can get is guitar note stickers, and what it tells you is the names of the doodah, the names of the notes on the frets. So then you won't ever need to know the fretboard because it will just be there, but ultimately you want to know it off by heart. But if you just have it sitting there, over time you'll be able to figure it out. You'll be like, okay, there's the F sharp. Okay, that's the C sharp. Okay, that's the A. You know, I know where it is now. And then when you come to learn a new chord, let's just say the C chord is made up of C, E, and G. Okay. You'll be able to look at, where is it? You'll be able to look at the guitar and figure out where all the C, E's, and G's are. So a little hack for you there. Because a chord is made up of a triad of 3 notes, and so if you know what the 3 notes are, and then you find them on the guitar, you'll be able to figure out all the different shapes using the cage system. Drop a comment in below if you don't know what the cage system is, and if you do, let me know if you like it or not. So it's a very divided thing in the guitar community. Anyway, see you in the next one, guys. Take care.